Welcome to Secrets to Painting Children. I'm Artist Tina Garrett. I will share with you methods I use to capture stunning photo references of children using only a smartphone, no fancy equipment required. I'll show you how to edit those references using Photoshop or prints, and I'll share a few Photoshop tips and tricks that are staples to know whether you're editing with software or editing with prints. I'll demonstrate for you the accurate color wash starting method, just one of the 3 starting methods that I teach. I'll show you how I organize my paints and my palette to ensure that I always know how to find the color that I need. I'll share with you my secrets to creating paintings with colorful and believable flesh tones and painterly brushwork. I'll help you understand values and color mixing to create lifelike paintings from photos. Also, it is my distinct pleasure to give to you a bonus feature at the end of this video. I will sit for an intimate interview with arguably the modern master of painting children from life, artist Nancy Guzik. Nancy has captured the essence of innocence in childhood her entire career. Her celebrated works illuminate the world with her precious depictions of the most treasured moments in childhood. Nancy is an inspiration and mentor to me and many artists, and I'm thankful she is sharing with all of us her special insights into painting children from life.